Right, recording this video has been an absolute nightmare because I can't use my phone to record it because that's where the app for this guy is. So here is the Billy doll that I have been creating forever. I know a lot of people want the STL that I created. Basically, I've taken the Billy STL that's already on Thingiverse and I've hollowed out the head so I can fit all the electronics in and stuff. I don't want to upload the remix version to Thingiverse until I finish building this doll so that I can have a preview video with it as well. So let's have a look at the features of this guy. If you have a look on my phone, you can see down here, I have my Billy app. And that was created using the MIT app builder you can find it on Google, I'll link it down below. So the first thing we need to do is actually open up his chest so you can see what's inside him. It's all rough at the minute so I can get easy access. Inside you'll see an Arduino Uno, an Adafruit audio effects board, an amplifier, 2 speakers and cables which are really badly wired in. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the Bluetooth part here is currently flashing to say that it's not connected. So the first thing I need to do on the app is click Take Control of Billy. And on here I have HC06, which I know is Billy, so I'll click that. And it'll start to connect. And now the light in Billy's chest on the Bluetooth has gone solid red. I am having problems where it keeps disconnecting, so hopefully that won't happen during the demo video. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you his eyes. If I press right, you'll see his eyes move to the right. And the same with left. We'll do that a couple of times. I think I actually want to slow it down a little bit, but I'm not sure. You'll also notice it makes a mechanical kind of servo noise, but I don't mind that. He's supposed to be an animatronic doll, so it's not like he's a haunted doll or something that's not supposed to have electronics inside. So I don't mind the servo noise at all, but some people might not be happy with it. So we'll look left again, and then we'll center it by pressing the down arrow. Now moving on to the sounds, this is where it normally disconnects, so if it does, just please bear with me. The theme I haven't got working yet because it needs, I can't be bothered to go into why it's not working, but I will have it fixed at some point. If I press it, it'll just play the beginning of the theme, but we'll do it anyway. And that's all we get. The next thing is greetings. If I click sounds again, the next sound is play a game. And apparently we have broken pipe for some reason, whatever that might be. Like I said, it does disconnect occasionally. I have to close the app and connect again. I'll cut this out. So I want to play a game. And then next is live or die. Next is the laugh. Let the game begin. And the final sound is game over. Now this is just an early demo because I haven't uploaded any videos to my YouTube channel in ages, and I just wanted to get something up because I just wanted to make sure that my YouTube channel stays at least a little bit active. I do also have the servo for the head hooked up. You can see the gears and cogs down here attached to the servo, and it does turn, but he's resting his weight on his head at the minute, and I don't want to put any pressure on it. In a couple of days, maybe even weeks, who knows, I'll have him sat on his bike where he's not resting on his head anymore, and then I can make his head move. The final bit is his mouth, and although it is free to move, I haven't figured out a way to get a servo in there to make it move yet. I guess it only needs to move that much, so you don't really need... I don't know, I think I'm overcomplicating it. I'll figure it out at some point. So the next video I get it regarding this guy, he will be sat on his trike, which is currently in my conservatory, and he'll be riding, his head will move, all the sounds will move, and hopefully he won't be hooked up to these wires anymore. The legs are pretty easy to attach, I'm just being really lazy. So I hope you like the update. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded any videos for a while. I'll try and be more active, but just stay tuned. I have got some cool things coming. So take care, thanks for watching, and love you all.